Hello guys, welcome back to Week Mix Media. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Enjoy today's up.
Hello lovely people, this is your boy Andy. Bless you for coming, bless you for subscribing to the channel. Today I take you straight to Sarkodie and Stonebwoy's camp. Yes, you know there's an upcoming program that is about to happen, and it is the Global Citizen Festival. Sarkodie and Stonebwoy doing their sound check, and Charlie, it was massive. It was like the show itself. So without wasting your time and you subscribing, let's go through and enjoy this sound check moment.
Success music. Success music. Success music.
There's a lot of people standing here.
So, we're ready.
Yeah, we just need 2 minutes.
Okay.
I have a question. So I know that was different because it
King Kobe.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Yeah, we're good.
Thank you very much for staying through the video to this end. If you haven't subscribed, make you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, returning subscribers. God bless you. Don't forget to leave your comment if you have any. My name is Andy. Bless you for coming. Bless you. I'm out.